Cage flyback rope and racing Melody Magic looking for the lead, but here comes Being Square joining him and passing the winning post. It's Being Square from the outside, followed by Melody Magic. Scramble for third and fourth position. And going along for the first turn, Melody Magic running by the wheel, 4 wide, Being Square. And 2 lengths back now is La Dolce Vita, then followed by entry number 5. And as Highway Builder as they hit the backstretch. With entry number 4, that's Melody Magic, leading by a neck, followed closely by Being Square. And 5 lengths away, La Dolce Vita. Here comes Highway Builder. Storm Signal now racing 5th, down in 6th. Is Alamunayan, far lady, coming into the picture now is entry number 12, Hardway. Inside the last 600, it's still Melody Magic hanging on with a length lead, Being Square. Highway Builder, Storm Signal on the outside, La Dolce Vita, Hardway as they swing for home with Melody Magic, leads by some 6 now. Followed now by Highway Builder, Storm Signal, Hardway, La Dolce Vita. Alamunayan is also there, but still Melody Magic. And finally, Melody Magic. Followed by Hardway, Alamunayan, Highway Builder, Storm Signal, and Leopardo.
412.3, 597, right? Unofficial.